Welcome everybody, we got our hands on the new GeForce GTX 1650 Super, which is a huge improvement over the old 1650. Now we actually got this at Micro Center for $239, which was fantastic. This is a card that came out in November of 2020, so it's a pandemic card, and these are actually in high demand on eBay or on Facebook Marketplace and everything. People are still mining with this, which it doesn't really make any money for mining. It's not that great. So I don't know why you want to really buy it for mining. But we are going to upgrade my Dell Workstation that came with a really old AMD card because somebody pulled the Quadro in there. So we're going to unbox this. We're going to show you how to install it. And let's see what comes in this box. This is going to be a great card. We're actually going to be using it for my Twitch and streaming from my Elgato because the Elgato does use your onboard graphics card, and if it's a crappy onboard graphics card, then guess what? You're gonna have some bad videos, which a lot of people have been commenting on my Fortnite videos that they're not doing so well. So this is the only card we found. Now the 3060 is one card that I do want to get, but wow, look at this thing. This thing is massive. This is a massive card. Okay. So it's got a DVI, HDMI, and let's get all the plastic off of this case. But wow, this is actually a really big card. So it's going to take up a lot of space in the Dell Workstation, but thankfully I don't have any other PCI ports being used, or slots I should say. Let's get all this plastic off so it doesn't burn up. I feel like that should have been a written piece of paper when you open this box to take off all the plastic. I'm guessing a lot of people probably didn't, which could lead to fire. I'm going to keep this here. This mat there, my little BMW screwdriver, came from a 2001 7 Series from the back of the toolkit. So it's got connectors there. Well, these are plastic covers to protect it. Is there anything else that comes with this? No, it doesn't. It does not come with anything else. Look at that. Wow. No cables or anything. Okay, I'm a little bit surprised. Obviously, card installation. So this will actually use one of the cables from the power supply, obviously. Alright, let's get this going. Okay, let's pull out the old card. Which I actually kind of forget. Oh, there it is. Just pops right out. Believe. Yep, look at that. Just pops right out. Well, kind of. This card does not want to come out. There it comes. Perfect. Look at this old AMD card, and it's an ASUS card too, huh? This was only 2 gigabytes of RAM, and it's from 2010, I believe, but so, okay, get rid of this. Let's put this new card in, get that off. Oh, 1 second, actually. We're gonna have to take off another slot. It's gonna need 2 slots. 2-slot card. I just want to be careful when installing, but it should just pop right into place. Yep, okay, make sure we got everything. Yeah, this card is just a little big, but we're snapped in and ready to go. Let's look for some power supply here. What do we got? factory here. Okay. There it is. On the side here we got a power cable. There it is. We're going to cut that off later, but there is your factory power supply. And it's going to go right into there. And ta-da, that is how you install a GeForce GTX. Let's actually take a look at this power supply. Let's see which one do we have. Does anyone see it? Is this a 650 or is this the 450? Well, I guess we'll find out. But the good thing with this GTX card is it doesn't draw that much power. So there we go. Let's get this baby plugged in, and I'll see you guys on my Switch. Alright guys, subscribe, like, comment, and tell me what you think. Have fun.